Today I'm going to show you a new platform that I have developed in the last week. So this is WebAdvisor Care application. You can download any resource that I have uploaded in here. Already I have uploaded one plugin here. This is WebAdvisor Theme Builder. This is my new product. So you can download simply from it here. You can get this application URL app.webadvisork.com, this URL. So I will put this URL on the description. You can get this on description. So once you download it, you can simply install it on your WordPress website. Uh, it is unlimited to use on local websites on this plugin, WebAdvisor theme builder plugin. But if you go into a production level, that means on a real URL, real domain, so you need to request that product from here. Go to the products and select this status. Already I have requested in this my account. This is my normal user account, so you can request in here. There is a button available for request, so you can simply click on here to request. If you go into a production level only, so then you can get this license key. But if you are focused on testing or building something on local, you can focus on this license key. I will provide the public license key for that, so you can use it unlimited on local sites. So first of all, when you get your license key, you need to go to the plugins. So you can go to then add plugins, and then you can upload your plugin from here. Go to the uploads and choose file from here and select the plugin and install. Click on install now button. Then you can install simply our WordPress builder theme builder plugin. So next is go to the theme builder pro, this icon, click on this. So here you can see enter your license key. I have already entered the license key on here and click on save key. So now you have successfully installed the product key of the WebAdvisor theme builder plugin. Now you can go to any page that you want to use it. So I have already created a test page on here on my site. Then you can use your default Gutenberg editor. This plugin is more than efficient than the Elementor performance and SEO ratings. As you know, Elementor plugin does not use good practices on Google and the W3 standards. So, but our plugin is used all good standard on Google and W3 standards, and this is very good for the performance and SEO friendly. Once you activated the plugin, create a new page that you can add any name. I have already added as a text. So I'm going to here plus and go to the browse all. Then you can search web advisor. Then you can see here all the blog elements filtering here that provided from the web advisor theme builder plugin. So I will explain one by one. So let's go to the section block. Click on section. So this is a section block. So this is static HTML, but here we have used dynamic HTML right now. So in this block, that is provides custom CSS field. You can add a class name on here. I will add welcome. You can do any name for your section. Then call it dot welcome. You can say add background. Then you can say red. Anything you want, you can add. So then you can click on this plus icon and then search on container. We have a container that is provided by WebAdvisor theme builder plugin. You can use it container, and you can again click on this plus icon and then search on div. You can see on here div block that is provided by the WebAdvisor. So click on this. You can see the hierarchy, section, container and div, same as the static HTML we are using here. So you can build anything that you want from this plugin because this is open. So according to your UI design, you can design anything with, using this. Also, you can add any custom CSS from here. Also, you can set a background image for your section, or you can set backgrounds on your container or divs. Anything you can use. Also, you can create simply on divs on a grid flex layouts, or you can plus, and then you can go to the column default columns on WordPress. Even you can use our custom columns. That means you can say this is a row. Then you can add some columns from again. You can add 2 divs. This is a call, and this I'm going to duplicate, and this is div. So that means you can create rows and then columns as usually that we build in static HTML flex layouts. So you can build everything using this blocks. So next we will move to the home page slider. This is working same as the bootstrap, but this is a dynamic. So you can change style from here, transition effects, also background, navigation icon, material icons, or font awesome, or bootstrap default. You can also change this autoplay timeout to increase milliseconds to 10,000 or just 1,000. You can adjust as you want, and click on this and new slider. Then you can upload new image from here. Just click upload image here, and then you can select your image from here and select, and you can give your main title and subtitle. Then you can give a name for the this button area, and you can add link here, and you can click on this and turn on open with a new tab. This is providing attribute that target plan that will open with a new tab. So even you can use with your external file or external page or internal page, anything that you want. So next again you can click add new slide. You can add any unlimited sliders to here as you want. So next I will put this okay, let's put this image here, and I will go to the save option and click on save, and let's see the output. Just reload the test page like this. Okay, this is the output from here. You can see the navigations. Also, you can add with this section block. So then you can use the full width of this block, add before, and go to here and search on section, and you can simply drag this to the under section and just save. Okay, we can reload. Now you can see the full width output of these uh, images. So this is work same as the bootstrap default carousel. So you can see the output, right? This is a main title and subtitle, and this is a button. So you can add even your custom styles to the this section, and you can style anything that you want here. So if you go to the inspect tool, you can see the tool here, and you can see the output and the default class names you can take from the here. So next thing is I will explain here on button. So this is a simple button that is provided by the theme builder. So click on add. After I'll go to the add button again with bootstrap default button. This is a bootstrap default. Sorry, this is a WordPress default button. I will compare this. So you can see there is a few options available for the WordPress default button, but here we have uh, open with a new tab and click me text, simple text area, button text, and background colors and text colors available on our button. So we can simply customize these buttons easily without this WordPress default button. So next is I will explain this FAQ collapse. This is also working same as the bootstrap collapse. So you can add another FAQ here. This area you can add any question here, and this is the answer field. You can edit any number of questions and answers on here. I will save this one. This is also, you can add some custom CSS using section. So let's reload this page and you can see the output like this. So now I'm going to the pop-up banner. This is a new block and I will add some image from here and go to the media library and select one image. I'll pick this one. So let's see the pop-up banner settings. There is settings that is a delay time. This you can adjust as you want. I'll put the same default time 3 seconds, and here there is a new option, show only one per visits. That means once a very first visit in, this will display, and again same user visiting the same page, but it never display because it will use the local storage and stored once visited. So if you turn off this one, it is no care about the local storage. It is always displaying for all users that visiting the same page. So I'll save this one. Okay, I'll reload this one, and after 3 seconds after the page reload, we can see the pop-up banner like this. For this pop-up banner, you can add even the images or text or animations or anything that you want, add after, and you can type anything on here or add your any blog from here, even the provided by the web advisor plugin blogs, anything that you want, and you can add here. Now I'm going to explain you to all carousel slider block. So I'll put the block here and you can see add some options here. You can add any number of sliders to here. I will put some only three sliders here for now, for example. So I will delete this last slider here and I will duplicate this one, duplicate, and again duplicate. Now I'm going to the second carousel slider and just replace the image here. So I'll choose this one, select, and go to the third one and click on this replace button. Again, open media library and select this. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, so okay, let's save this. Right, let's reload the page. As you can see, the three sliders loaded here, so we can navigate any slider as we need. So if I not click on the navigate, it will automatically looped and automatically playing the slider. So if you don't want to autoplay or looped, you can turn off this button simply like this. This is already responsive for the all devices. For let's say this is our desktop, 3 items, and if you go to the tablet mode or mobile mode, you can see there is a two sliders only displaying. So this is the output of the tablet mode, only two sliders displaying, and go to the mobile, only just one slider per time. So this is the slider box of this is the slider block that integrated with the all carousel. So you can adjust settings that you want here as you want here, and if you want some additional styles, you can add, click on add before and go to the section block and section like this, and click on this icon and click on search on container block, and then you can simply move this all carousel under the container, and then you can give any name to this section block. You can say slider or anything that you want, then you can call the style right here. Okay, I hope that you understand this method what that I said. So next I will explain the social media blog. So this is the social media blog. You can manage social medias from here. So this is the social media blog and you can add the general settings. Also, you can see the border radius or enable share buttons here. So anything you can add here and see some border radius effects. So like this. If you don't want share button, you can just simply close the share button here, and you can adjust this share button like this. Okay, this is the border radius, and here we have some colors, background color and hover colors. You have icon colors, and this is the font size of the icon. And if you click on show the social media name, that is displaying like this, that is not uh, good. So let's turn off that. And you can add any font or some icon classes here. If you want this should be a YouTube, let's add another social media icon, and then you can just say YouTube, and this will turn to the YouTube icon. You can add any kind of social media profile link right here, and keep this turned on because it should be open with the new tab. So you can save this one then, and you can go to our page, testing page, and reload the page, and you can see this is the final output of the social media blog. So this is just a draft one. So you can add any additional CSS styles. You can add section and block as I showed you previously. So next I will explain about the contact info block. Let's add that. So this is the contact block. So you can add the contact item here, and you can add any phone number here. And if you want, this should be a phone, not a telephone, this is an email. You can even add this as the email address. So simply you can rename this to info at test.com. So this is an email, and here you can change this to the envelope icon or any kind of icon that provided by the font or some icons. So then you can add this here, any kind of text or URL, specific URLs you can add right here. Or you need to keep the same email address, you can just keep the same. No need to add anything. So you can add mail to right here. If this is an email, you can just put mail to and just copy and paste this address like this. So you can save this one. So even if you add some phone number and email together, you can add again this contact item, and you can see the two items also you can display. Let's save this one and just reload, and you can see this is the output of these items. So you can, this is also you can add some additional styles if you want to the display with the text uppercase letters. So you can add simply custom CSS using section that I have showed you previously. And next I'm going to show you the icon block. This is the icon block. This is you can add any icon right here with font awesome or bootstrap icons or material icons. You can simply add the icon like this. For example and default, I have put the font awesome as a default and the icon class like this. And you can change this icon class sizes like this, and you can even change the font this font colors also. And you can click on the link settings here. You can add any link and turn on the open new tab. You can link this icon with any URL that you want. So next I will show you the how to use the latest blog post section blog. So this is the latest blog. For use this blog, you should post some blog articles on your WordPress website. So this is also the previous all slider. Default as 3 items and tablet 2 and mobile 1 item. So you can change the gap between the items, and the autoplay loop show icons and dots also as previously. Also you can change the autoplay timeout from here. So let's save this one. See the output. This is the our blog latest blog section. So you can simply add like this. So you don't need to worry about the responsive. This is already responsive for the any kind of devices, even the tablet, even the mobile. This is already responsive automatically. So you have to do is you can just follow the your UI design and just build your awesome website using the uh, Web Advisor WordPress theme builder. So you can simply get this plugin use with our application Web Advisor Care application. Visit app.webadvisorlk.com URL and just simply register. So you can simply register here. Click on the register button and you can see there is very simple registration form. Your full name, your email address and confirm password field. You can simply create account from here and simply log into the our dashboard. And additionally, I have provided you to the documentation docs.webadvisorlk.com. From here also you can download the our WordPress plugin. So you can study this plugin, how work it and what it provided, and here FAQs, anything you can read and understand what is it and how it use and why use it. So these are already provided in docs.webadvisorlk.com. I will put these all URL from our YouTube video description. Check from that here. So you can simply check that from the description. So like the video if you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you know, I can't speak English very well, so I'm sorry about that. Because I'm already speaking in my mother language Sinhala, so I can't speak English very well. I'm sorry about that, but I'm trying to provide you the best result using English language. I don't know how to explain very well it. So by the way, please like the video, share the video for your friends and the groups, anything that you know, and subscribe my channel and support me and use this plugin for your development task and success in the future. Thank you very much for the watching my video. Please subscribe this channel and like the video. Thank you very much.